Before beginning installation, you will need a pipe bender for 3/16 or 1/4 inch diameter pipe, a 2 3/4 inch pipe wrench, PTFE thread sealing tape, oil rags, and whatever equipment your facility uses to remove oil from the machinery on which the CMP will be installed. In most cases, a filter or transfer cart would be best. Identify a porthole on the machine that is positioned at the oil level. Do not install the CMP below the oil level or on pressurized systems. Drop the machine's oil level below the porthole using established best practice procedures for your facility. This will prevent spillage during the CMP installation. Tightly thread the reducer into the machine's porthole using a 2 3/4 inch wrench and enough pipe thread sealing tape to prevent leakage. Hand thread the CMP into the reducer. If the sampling port is not at a convenient location when fully tightened, use the supplied shims between the reducer and the CMP to reorient the sampling port. For this demonstration, the sampling port will be installed facing upward. With the CMP threaded onto the reducer and the sampling port properly oriented, note the downward direction for bending the pilot tube. Remove the CMP from the reducer, being mindful of any shims that may have been used. Using the appropriate pipe bender, bend the pilot tube in the direction noted in the previous step. Choose a bend location and angle that place the pilot tube's tip within the machine and below the oil level for proper sampling. Tightly thread the CMP into the reducer using shims and enough sealing tape to prevent leakage. Use the sampling port as leverage to achieve enough torque if necessary. Loosen the lock nut and rotate the sight glass so that the magnetic plug is at the bottom and the corrosion indicator rod is at the top. Hand tighten the lock nut. Do not use sealing tape or thread locker on the lock nut. Replenish the machine with oil so that the oil is level with the crosshairs on the sight glass, again using established best practice procedures for your facility. Luneta LLC is not responsible for damages associated with incorrectly installing the CMP or for improper use as outlined in this video and on luneta.com.